Hi, back again. Welcome to my vlog 2.
Let's go to the Greenwich station.
After 15 stations.
We are out of the Greenwich station. That's the O2 Stadium and outlet.
It's like 5 minutes walk, I believe so.
And either you can buy the tickets, or if you have Oyster card, you can just tap it and you can go for a ride. Wish me luck, it's my first trip.
There was a tiny cricket at this point.
I never know these buildings exist. They're just next to the O2.
I like the view.
You do?
Yes.
You're my best view.
Yeah. I like the view. I like the view. I like the view. I like the view. Yeah.
Do you know what? I love dogs.
Summer is such a vibe. I wanna swim too.
Let's go to the boat trip. There's the London Bridge, London Eye, and on the left, Westminster.
Do you know what? Thames River is one of the cleanest river in the world. Sister decided to break her phone and we seen the Apple logo inside the broken camera. Wow. This is Millennium Bridge and it's also called Dancing Bridge. It's called Dancing Bridge because of Harry Potter series. It's that bridge shown in the movie. And also, surface of the bridge is full of chewing gums. One artist painted on them. There are the pictures of it. Also, welcome back to my history channel again.
This bridge is called Tower Bridge. I used to call it London Bridge. I came to know by my dad.
And now I'm gonna add the clip how the Tower Bridge opens and closes. The Tower Bridge actually closes and opens. I seen this back in 2005 or 6. I don't remember, but my dad used to record everything in his video
My
camera.
dad could have been a vlogger if he does know YouTube back then. Let's watch night view of the boat ride. I like that boat, especially it's red and so bright.
Just have to take a risk.
bridge is falling down, falling down. Let's go to Camden Town. It was locked down when I visited and all the shops were closed, only restaurants are open. Look at all the graffiti arts, they are just awesome. I've never been to Camden Town before the lockdown, and then it's famous for piercing, tattoos, and then they do have some replicas of the branded items. On my way to Camden Town Market. Whoever goes to Camden Market, they take pictures of this umbrella, so this place has very long queue. I didn't go inside, but I just took a video of it. Pancakes. They're actually called Dutch pancakes. After having pancakes, we are out of the market. Now we are in Camden Town. After searching for a while, we finally found this place and I got orange. Camden Town is literally like a different world for me. I don't know why. I wanna be skinny, but I like desserts. There are some waffles which are quite interesting, so I do want to try it.
Guys, make sure to like, comment and share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, see you in next vlog.